Welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this expression. We have 2 exponent m plus m is equal to 5. Please, if today is your first time on visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing this. So from here, we say that 2 exponent m is equal to 5 minus m. Okay, so we decide to divide both sides by 2 exponent m. So this one will cancel this. We get 1 is equal to 5 minus m over 2 exponent m. Okay, so here we are going to get 2 exponent m. Okay, so okay, this 1 is equal to 5 minus m into bracket multiply by 2 exponent negative x like this. So let us arrange this again. So it will be 5 minus m bracket 2 exponent negative m is equal to 1. Okay. From here, let us multiply both sides by 2 exponent 5. Okay. We will 5 minus m bracket 4 by 2 exponent negative m multiplied by 2 exponent 5 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 exponent 5. Okay, so to simplify things as we have 5 minus m brackets multiplied by 2 5 exponent 2 exponent 5 minus m, okay, which is equal to 2 exponent 5. Yes. So again, 5 minus m brackets multiplied by 2 exponent 5 minus m is equal to 32. Now, with this, we can write it as 5 minus m into brackets. So this we can rewrite it as multiplied by e exponent log 2, okay, log 2, and then exponent 2, 5 minus m, which is equal to 32. And now, can we write it as 5 minus m multiplied by e exponent log. So this 5 minus m is an exponent for the 2, so it will come first, which is 5 minus m a log 2, and it's equal to 32. Now, we are having 5 minus m log 2 here. So we can decide to multiply both sides by log 2. Okay. So multiplying both sides by log 2, we are going to get log 2 multiplied by bracket 5 minus m multiplied by e bracket 5 minus m log 2 is equal to log 2 multiplied by 32. Here we have 5 minus m bracket log 2 multiplied by natural log of 5 minus m, okay, 5 minus m log 2 is equal to, okay, 32 log 2. And this is the same as 5 minus m, okay, multiplied by log 2 multiplied by e exponent 5 minus m log 2 is equal to log 2 exponent 32. Now, looking at this, looking at the exponents of the natural log and this, they are the same. So for me, we can apply the Lambert W function. Okay, so applying the Lambert W function, we say that W bracket A multiplied by E exponent A is equal to A. Okay, so let us apply this here. So our W bracket 5 minus n log 2, okay, multiplying by E exponent 5 minus m log 2 bracket close is equal to Lambert function of bracket log 2 exponent 32. So with the left hand side, our answer is going to be 5 minus m log 2. And it's okay, which is equal to w log 2 exponent 32. Like this. So now let us divide both sides by log 2. So this one will cancel this, leaving 5 minus m is equal to w Lambert function of log 2 exponent 32 all over log 2. Okay, now so with this we can say that our m is equal to 5 minus the Lambert function of log 2 exponent 32 all over log 2. Okay, and log 2 exponent 32, Lambert function of log 2 exponent 32 is approximately 0.99. Okay, and then log 2 is 0.301. So our m is equal to 5 minus 0.99 and 0.301. So our m is equal to 5. Now 0.99 divided by 0.301 is 3.29. So our m is equal to 1.71. So this was our final answer for M. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.